Hello there. Today we're going to show you the benefits of upgrading your Webtalk account to Pro. If you don't have a Webtalk account, click the link below this video and let's get you signed up free and you can start earning free money. But this video will go into why you should not only do the free but upgrade to the Pro. So I did my due diligence researching this program, and I was really excited, very excited, to really actually honestly see the potential that I could earn $25,000 in my first 100 days. And so I started my journey. But even more exciting, once I kind of got over the giddiness of really believing I could do that, I started thinking about the long-term potential and how this money is recurring. It's recurring month after month, year after year. This money is going to keep coming in because every time someone renews, that the next year they renew and the money just comes in and I don't have to do anything. So the long-term potential and the potential of other income coming in as future money, which we'll get into, it was just mind-blowing. So since we're going to talk about money, I need to read this to you both for moral and legal reasons. So here we go. Any earnings and or income illustrated are estimates only. And that's what we think that you can possibly earn. But there are no guarantees concerning the level of the success that you may experience, and that you accept the risk that you may not make any income at all. The investment is very, very small, but still, there is a risk that you could invest $100 or $200 and not make any money at all. Like with any business, results will vary and will be based on your individual capacity, business experience, expertise, level of desire, and timing. The testimonials and examples used are not intended to represent that anyone will achieve the same or similar results. Each individual's success depends on his or her background, dedication, desire, and motivation. We recommend that you do your own due diligence. We are not liable for any success or failure of your business that is directly or indirectly related to the use of the information shown. Okay, so let's move on. Webtalk, as you know, probably by now, is a social site, and it's kind of a mix between Facebook and LinkedIn. Leans more towards the LinkedIn side, but it's kind of a mix of both. It has the professional that the LinkedIn has, and it has the more social that Facebook has. And the really nifty thing that I especially like about it is I can have segregated groups of people so that I'm sharing business information with business contacts, and I'm sharing, my family vacation photos and stuff like that with only my family and close friends, instead of like on other platforms where you put it out there and it's out there, it's gone. Anybody can access it and do whatever. But with this, you're able to designate exactly where you want things to go. So what Webtalk isn't now, Webtalk is not a multi-level marketing company. I am going to be talking, when we get into the money, about levels. That is a pre-launch referral rewards program only. It has very limited seating. There are 1 million seats, and 1 million might sound like a lot, but when you consider there's I think 6 billion people on Facebook right now, you can see how small of a group that really is. So it is not, again, a network marketing company. It is not an MLM. It is the company is only offering 1 million people as a reward for growing the site some of these benefits. Okay, so Webtalk is paying the members to grow. And so why are they doing that? Well, Webtalk gets ad revenue, and the more visitors, the more activity and things like that you have on site, the more ad revenue you get. We just flipped over into a new month as this recording is happening, and the ad revenue from the prior month to this month has now doubled. So that is the whole reason that they're trying to quickly get members, is because that ad revenue will grow so large. Okay, so we are expecting growth, and what they're trying to do is get us from this 4 to 5 million where we're at right now to over 100 million within a couple of years. So they're really pressing hard to get that quick growth. Okay, so let's talk a little bit more detail about the money. There are 3 ways to get paid. And the first way, just really quickly, we have free money, we have now money, which is pro plan upgrades, and then we have future money. So let's get into each one. The free money is anyone can earn this by joining free, inviting people to join free under them. Anyone who joins free directly from your invitation, and you get paid a little bit for their activity and engaging and all of that. You don't have to buy anything. They don't have to buy anything. It's just for using the site. Now, in this example, you would earn $20 a month. Now, depending on how many people you invite and how much you engage, I've seen some users hit 100 and a little bit over a month, but it's not huge, a little bit of a side income. But if you want real money, you need to get in on the Pro before the 1 million seats are gone. So let's take a look at that. The Pro Platinum is $200 a month. You can actually get a little bit downgraded and just go Pro for $100 a month and still take advantage of this income that I'm about to show you here. The now money is you get paid $20 for each Pro and Pro Platinum member who signs up under you, and 5 levels deep. So if I sign up Sally and signs up 5 people, I get $20 for all of those 5 if in fact they've gone Pro Platinum, or I get $10 if they're just Pro, but that goes 5 levels down. Okay, so I kind of wanted to break this down to a little bit more realistic numbers that people could maybe understand. So I broke it up into, let's say that your 100-day goal is $7,000. So you'd need 350 affiliates at the $20 level. And that sounds probably overwhelming, but when you break it down, it really is not. So let's look at this down below here where it says you find. So you find 5 affiliates. You help them find 5. And then those people should help their people find 5. And if you do that, even 4 levels down, you'd be way over your 350. As you can see in this example, I show me getting 5, my level 2 each getting 5, but then by level 3, I've already dropped it down to 3 instead of 5. And I'm still very near that $7,000 goal. Let's say that your goal is $14,000. Well, you're going to need double of everything. So I'm saying you're going to need 700. So in this scenario, you would have to go 5, 5, and 5. But again, we're only going 4 levels deep. We're not even going 5 levels deep that you're allowed to go. And we're at 780. So we're over your 700 by 80. Okay, so here's my goal. My goal is 25,000 in the next 100 days. So I need 1,250 affiliates. So I've kind of taken it up a notch, if you will. I'm finding 10 and helping them find 10. And then from there on, I'm saying, okay, they're not working at it hard, and it drops down to 3. But looky there, there's my number, 1,310, and I only need 1,250. So the opportunity to earn $25,000 in a 100-day is absolutely positively a doable situation. All right, so then future money, we're just going to touch on that. This is, again, the 10% earnings, 5 levels deep. And yes, even Kevin Harrington from Shark Tank has jumped in at the Pro level. So these seats are going to go fast, folks. Okay, So let's take a look at the future money. And again, that's 10% of revenue generated by each user within your 5 levels. So just imagine this, just to kind of try and give you a grasp of what we're talking about. This is Facebook's ad revenue for 2019, and it's almost $70 billion. I mean, can you imagine having a cut of that and getting 10% of that back into your household? I mean, it's just incredible. Okay, so here's the deal though. You have to build fast. Here's why. Is because this thing is duplicating. Just imagine taking 2 cents and doubling it to 4, and then doubling it to 8, and then 16 and 32, and how quickly that duplicates. And so these seats are going to be gone in the blink of an eye. So you need to invite as many people as possible. The more people you invite, the more revenue you'll earn. Because again, you earn from their activity, you earn from their purchases, you earn from their pro plan upgrades, everything like that you are earning from. Okay, so what is your next step? Your next step is to join for free. Click on the link provided, get yourself in, and then from there, create your Webtalk profile. And then I can help you get your affiliate application filled out. And all of that is free. You must do all of that to get even the free money. Then we can get you upgraded to Pro or Pro Platinum, whichever one best fits your situation, and start inviting people and get in on some of this money before this opportunity closes out. This is Renee Retton signing off. Thank you very much.